scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Integration of this rational fraction looks tricky, but we can solve it fast. Let's break down the numerator to simplify the entire expression right now. First, rewrite the numerator x plus 3 as x plus 1 plus 2. This allows us to split the fraction into two separate parts that are much easier to handle individually. Now x plus 1 over x plus 1 becomes 1, and we are left with 2 over x plus 1. We just need to integrate these two simple terms separately now. The integral of 1 is x, and the second part is twice the natural log of x plus 1. This gives our answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.